are turning onto 4311, which we will stay on for about 80 kilometers until we make it to Krabi. And the road just only gets prettier. In a couple kilometers here, we're going to start seeing these massive stones and mountains right next to the freeway. Along the way, there's lots of pretty cool things to see. Little temples, national forests, hot springs, viewpoints. We've passed it. We've long since passed it, but there's a viewpoint at the Saracen Bridge. There's a viewpoint a little bit northeast of the bridge called Samet Nangshi, which gives you the view of the whole Panga Bay. We are headed east right now towards the Krabi province. Had a little bit of traffic, but I'm just surrounded by mountains with lovely fog on the top. Couldn't be a better drive.